Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your Discord email address, even if you no longer have access to the original email. Now, the process is straightforward, but it requires contacting the Discord support team. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. In the past, you could change the email address easily within the Discord application itself. However, this feature has changed due to security concerns like account hacking. So the only way to do this now is to directly contact the support team and ask them to change it for you. They will need to verify that you are the true owner of this account before they make any type of change. We need to fill out a detailed form to start the process. For that, simply open your web browser and search for support.discord.com. In the top right corner, you will find an option called Submit a Request. Click on that option and wait for a few seconds. Now, after clicking on Submit a Request, if you see a login screen, that means you have to create an account on Discord support. Note that this is a completely different account than Discord itself, so simply click on Sign In and then click on Sign Up to create a simple account. Let me show you how. So all you do is click on Sign In, then right over here, you'll have the option to sign up. Simply click on it and create a new account for Discord support. Then simply click on Sign In to log in, and then you should be logged in, as you can see right over here. Now, click on Submit a Request, and you should be able to see the form interface. Over here, under the Submit a Request field, you will see a drop-down menu. You have to choose Help and Support. Now in the next field, Type of Question, simply choose Technical Support. Then in the next field, what type of issue you are experiencing, choose Account Settings. Then in the Platform section, choose which type of platform you're using, for example, Windows. Now, over here, the description is the most important part. You need to be polite and provide as much detail as possible to prove ownership. So for the subject, write something like, no access to original email and request to change email address. Then you will see some suggested articles. You don't have to click on any of them. In the description box, you must include the following details. Clearly state that you no longer have access to your old email. State your Discord username with the hashtag. Be polite. Ask them to change your email to the new email address that you will mention over here in the description. Mention that you don't want to create a new account, only replace the old email address with a new one. If you have any supporting files like screenshots or old Nitro receipts or attachments that can prove that you are the true owner of that Discord account, you can simply click on Add Files to add those files over here. And also, make sure to check the box confirming the details. Once you've done all of that, just simply click on Submit, and then Discord will send you a reply on your working email that you provided or to the email that you created your Discord support account with. After that, they will help you to resolve your issue. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.